Good morning, everyone. In exercise 7.1, first question, it is given that in quadrilateral ABCD, AC equal AD and angle 1 equal angle 2. This is given. Now we have to prove these two triangles congruent. So in your exam, you can use any congruency, whatever is applicable over there. So we have taken the 5 congruency in the previous class. So out of that, whatever is applicable, that you will use it. So in these two triangle, we have to take 3 things. AC equal AD, this is given. Don't forget to write the reasoning. Angle 1 equal angle 2, this is also given. What should be the third thing which you will take it over here to prove it congruent? Look here, in these two triangles, ये दोनों sides equal है, angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. Now, if you will see AB is coming in both sides. So what does it mean? AB equal AB, that is common. So AB equal AB, that is common. So can you tell me which congruency is applicable here? Look, side, angle and side. So therefore, triangle ABC, congruent triangle ABD by side, angle, side congruency. ठीक है, by SAS triangles are congruent. Now in question 2. In question 2, in quadrilateral ABCD, AD equal BC given, angle 1 equal angle 2 is given. Now these are the 3 things which we have to prove it. First, triangle ABD and triangle BAC congruent we have to prove. And then we have to prove BD equal AC, and then angle ABD and angle BAC equal. अगर हम ये प्रूव कर देते हैं ट्राइंगल ABD एंड ट्राइंगल BAC, अगर प्रूव कर देते हैं, देन ऑटोमेटिकली वी विल गेट द रिजल्ट ऑफ दीज टू. ओके, सो लेट्स सी इट. सो इन ट्राइंगल ABD एंड ट्राइंगल BAC, first we have to prove these two triangles congruent. So first thing, AD equal BC. What is the reason? Given. Angle 1 equal angle 2. This is also given. What should be the third thing which we will take it over here? Look, ABD and ABC, दोनों में सेम कॉमन चीज क्या आ रही है? Either it can be angle or it can be side. So look here, AB is coming in both. Okay, so AB equal BA, common. So can you tell me by which congruency triangles are congruent? Side, angle, side. So therefore, triangle ABD congruent triangle BAC by SAS congruency. Always you have to write the reasoning wherever it is applicable. अब हमारे पास ये triangle congruent हो गया. Now this is the first part. Okay, ये first part का prove हो गया. Now they are asking about BD equal AC. अब देखिए इस triangle में which we have proved it here, BD is coming, and in triangle BAC, AC is coming. So why it will be equal? By CPCT. What does CPCT means? Congruent parts of corresponding parts of congruent triangle. So since triangles are congruent, therefore this implies BD equal AC by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. And then you have to prove angle 1 equal angle 2. Angle 1 equal angle 2. Again it is coming in both the triangles, and angle 1 equal angle 2 by CPCT. Clear? अगर दो triangles हमारे कॉन्ग्रेंट है बाय एनी वे, तो उसकी जितनी भी रिमेनिंग साइड्स और द एंगल्स, रिस्पेक्टिव एंगल्स एंड द साइड्स, जितनी भी लेफ्ट ओवर है, दैट विल ऑल्सो बी इक्वल. नाउ कम टू द थर्ड क्वेश्चन. In third question, it is given that AD equal BC and these two are perpendicular. Perpendicular means 90 degree. And we have to prove CD bisects AB. CD AB को bisect कर रहा है. तो मतलब CD जो है AB को 2 equal parts में divide कर रहा है. So what we have to prove? OB equal OA. Okay, CD bisects AB. OB equal OA. Again, we will take these two triangles in triangle BOC and triangle AOD. BC equal AD given. What should be the second thing given? Angle 1 equal angle 2. This is also given equal 90 degree. This is also given. अब मुझे बताइए what should be the third thing which you will take it? What should be the third thing? Look here. These two are vertically opposite angle. तो क्या vertically opposite angles equal होते हैं? Yes. Angle 3 equal angle 4. Reason? Vertically opposite angles. So what should be the congruency over here? कौन सी congruency use हो रही है? देखिए, this angle and the non-included side and non-included side. So which congruency is applicable? By AAS. So it means therefore triangle BOC congruent triangle AOD by AAS congruency. This implies OB, other, as I have told it, अगर triangles congruent हो गए, then the whatever be the corresponding remaining sides and the remaining angles, that will also be equal. Therefore, OB equal OA. OB equal OA. What should be the reason? CPCT. Corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Or we can write CD bisects AB. CD bisects AB. Clear? In question 4, you have to prove triangle ABC and triangle CDA congruent. This you have to prove it, and it is given line L parallel M. Line L parallel M. So ये देखिए आप symbol arrow डाल दिया. Arrow means parallel. And same way line P parallel Q. It is also given. So I have put the double arrow, means these two lines are parallel. Now you have to prove these two triangles congruent. Up, if two lines are parallel and one transversal line is there, then the corresponding angles, alternate interior angles are equal. So same thing we will use it over here. Since L parallel M, and if you will take these two triangle ABC and triangle ADC, देखिए अगर ये parallel है, so angle 1 and angle 2 will be equal. Alternate interior angles. Same way, P parallel Q. P and Q are parallel to each other and L is a transversal line. So angle 3 should be equals to angle 4. Same reason, alternate interior angles. So this concept we will use it. Since L parallel M, that is given, therefore angle 1 equal angle 2, alternate interior angles. Okay. Same way, similarly P parallel Q given. Therefore, angle 3 equal angle 2. Sorry, angle 3 equal angle 4. Again same reason. Alternate interior angles. Okay. So can you tell me what should be the third thing which we will take it common or equal? AC. If you will see, AC is coming in both the triangles. So AC equals CA, common. So can you tell me which congruency is applicable? देखो, angle in these two triangle, angle 1 2 के equal हो गया, 4 3 के equal हो गया, and AC is common. So AC is coming in between these two angles. So which congruency? By ASA. Therefore, triangle ABC congruent triangle CDA by ASA congruency. Clear? Now, in question 5, you have to prove these two triangles congruent, and it is given that L is the bisector, angle bisector of A. ये दिया हुआ है. Angle bisector क्या मतलब हुआ? Angle bisector का मतलब, angle bisector means angle को two equal parts में divide कर रहा है. So it means angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. Okay. Now again you have to prove these two triangles congruent. So in triangle APB and triangle AQB, let's see what are the three things which are equal. You have one more thing is given in this, that they are in question 5 perpendiculars. Okay, only these two things are given. So first we will write it angle 3 and 4. It will be better if you will write the angles in the numbering form. It will save your time. Angle 1 in triangle APB and AQB, angle 2 equal angle 1, because L is the angle bisector of A, or you can straight away you can write it as given also. Okay, angle 4 equal angle 3 equal 90 degree. This is given. What should be the third thing which we will take it over here? Tell me. Which is common in both the triangles? AB is common. So AB equal AB, common. So which congruency is applicable? देखिए, in triangle ये दो angles हो गए and non-included side हो गई. Okay, so therefore by a triangle APB congruent triangle AQB by two angles and the non-included side equal. So by AAS congruency. This you have to always write by which congruency criteria triangles are congruent. Now you have to prove BP equal BQ. BP equal BQ. So this implies BP equal BQ. क्या reason होगा? As I have told it, अगर triangles congruent है, then the remaining parts of it means that is sides or the corresponding angles will also be equal by CPCT. This implies BP equal BQ by CPCT. Is it clear? That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.